In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in Blender using just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to Blender or you're looking to enhance your workflow, this guide is designed to make the process clear and approachable. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Blender on your computer. If you haven't already downloaded Blender, you can easily find it on their official website and get it installed in just a few minutes. Once you have Blender up and running, you're ready to start customizing your text. Next, let's switch to Edit mode. This is where you can manipulate the objects in your scene more intricately than in Object mode. To transition to Edit mode, you can simply look towards the top left of your screen and select it from the drop-down menu. If you're a fan of shortcut keys, you can press the Tab key to toggle between Object mode and Edit mode, which is a handy trick to know for future projects. Now, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. Here, you'll find a panel that's rich with options to refine and configure your objects. You want to locate the tab labeled Object Data Properties, often represented by a green triangle icon. This area is vital for adjusting everything from vertices to custom rendering options. Once you've navigated to Object Data Properties, it's time to find the Font tab. This particular tab is designed to give you control over the text's appearance in your project. A common pitfall is overlooking this tab, so make sure to click it, readying yourself for the next steps. Your next task is to click on the folder icon you see in the Font tab. This small icon is your gateway to exploring a variety of font choices. By clicking it, you'll open up a File Explorer window that allows you to navigate through your system's fonts. With the File Explorer open, browse through the fonts and select the one that best fits the style of your project. Take your time with this step to ensure the font you choose aligns with the overall aesthetic you're aiming for. Whether you go for something bold or something more understated, the choice is all yours. Finally, once you've made your selection, click the Open Font button. This action integrates your chosen font into the Blender environment, enabling you to see how it enhances your overall design. It's always a good idea to take a step back at this point and evaluate the changes, ensuring everything looks as you envisioned. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the font in Blender, opening up a new world of creative possibilities. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.